In this problem, we're asked to simplify an expression that contains parentheses. We're going to simplify the expression 4 times the quantity 2a minus 3b plus a minus 7. When we get done, our expression should not have the parentheses, and any like terms should be combined. So we'll start by multiplying 4 times 2a, which gives us 8a, then minus 4 times 3b, which gives us 12b. Then we write the rest of the expression plus a minus 7. This expression is equivalent to this without the parentheses. And now if we can, we combine any like terms. We have 8a plus a, which gives us 9a. The other two terms are minus 12b, and then we have minus 7. We cannot do any more combining of like terms, so we just copy those down. We have 9a minus 12b minus 7 as the simplified form of that expression.